you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be scrubbing this deck and pressure washing it. It's the first time I'm doing it, so I don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully it's gonna be clean. So you can see how it is. This is the outside of it, the other side of it. There's some mold that has grown inside. I think it's the last time it was pressure washed might have been maybe 5 years ago. So I think it's about time to actually do it. I can also do that while pressure washing it, and I was planning on sanding and painting it, but I think we're gonna leave that project for another time. So I got some soap, not soap but some concentrate, some biodegradable concentrate, and I have a pressure washer from Amazon. The link is gonna be there. It was like 140, and it's a strong pressure washer that I can use for the walls in the future too, as you see over here, the siding I meant. So let's first start with this deck. So first things first, getting everything out of here. I think that is going to be too hard to get out of here, so I'm just going to do everything around it, and then use this to scrub the deck, and this small scrub over here, that's the concentrate I found in my garage. I think it's gonna work. I don't need to use anything special. So yeah, first time using this pressure washer, it just came, take everything out, figure out how to operate this pressure washer, you know, get the hose situated, and see how clean this deck can be. And this was new. This was just a different thing that was added later. So the deck have this section of it, as you can see, it just looks like an add-on. So I got some guys to do this a few years ago. So they just reinforced this one side, added the stairs, reinforced the bottom part of it. So I'm not gonna do any repairs today, just pressure washing it, and then the repairs and stuff, nailing and just reinforcing it, sanding, painting, treating it, staining it will be for a later date. So let's go.
Let's go. You know how nervous I get when I'm around you. I want you to make a move. I'm like your childhood pet. I'm scared when you go, and I don't want to lose you.
So the pressure washer is fully assembled. I got everything down there. I can't take this out, as I said, so I'm just gonna walk around it. So next thing would be just to sweep this place up, get some of these things out, and then afterwards to scrub it up with some soap. I have it inside, and then soap it up with a pressure washer. No pressure, just soap it up, and then immediately after, you know, just get it connected to the water and finish the process. So I'm just gonna do this side, sweep it, go down there, sweep it, then come back up, start soaping it, soap the bottom part, then pressure wash.
And there's nothing you could do. It feels warmer when you're here. I guess when you have to go, and I can meet you on the right side. This you won't roll me inside lies. Tell me what you fantasize. I wanna be the top prize. Let's go. I'm feeling so much worse. It's only the first of the month. Yeah. I knew that I'd be insecure. I didn't think it hurt this much. Like I don't wanna nothing you could do to piss me off. So tell me what to do, is that intel? And I can meet you on the west side. She said that she won't roll with me, I told her let's ride. Tell me girl, what do you fantasize about? All I wanna be is the top prize. Top prize.
wanna pretend that we know it all. We wanna pretend that we know but that's only the farthest from the truth. Farthest, we know that we know. We wanna pretend that we know.
So yeah, I think we are done. As you can see, it looks clean. It looks entire clothing is wet. I didn't know how to protect myself from under the deck, so the water was just flowing down on me. But yeah, I think it looks nice. It looks way better. Like the grain moldy spots, the dew and stuff, they are not there anymore. The stairs, it looks great. It looks clean. It was new, but it looks way better right now. Yeah, look at the railing going up. As I showed you the floor before, it looks nice. I think this is just water from doing the bottom part. So yeah, I think we should be okay right now. And as I said, the painting thing, I'm gonna save it for another time. So yeah, I'm gonna sand it, paint it. I don't know, should I stain it before or after? We'll figure out. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, as I told you, we'll do the siding later. You can see it's not as clean as it should be. So I don't know how I'll get up there, but maybe use a ladder, or I don't know. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you on the next one. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being a constant follower. So yep, thank you. Please like this video, share, leave a comment, share this to your friends and family, and as always, see you on the next one. Ciao.